This video was sponsored by the Institute for Mapping Technology, where you can learn GIS in a single day. Okay, now we're going to go look for some high-resolution imagery in this video. We are back on the USGS EROS website, which is a great starting point to find data. They have a nice nifty tab here that says Find Data. Click there. Again, it lists all the data products that you can get, and then it shows you all the data delivery portals to go get them from. Remember, the top three are the Earth Explorer, Globus, and Seamless. The other three you'll rarely use. Today we're going to go look for some high-resolution aerial photography. Now notice all this aerial photography options. We've already looked at some single frame historics. Now we want some high resolution orthoimagery. These other imageries, these might be 5-meter resolution. That's like 15-foot resolution where you're lucky to spot a roof. If you're used to Google's high resolution imagery, what you're really looking for is the high resolution orthoimagery. So we're going to get to it via the Earth Explorer. We could also get to it via Seamless Data Warehouse, but that is more involved and takes more effort and is not as intuitive as Earth Explorer. So we'll click on the Earth Explorer option. And we're back at this familiar interface. And I have already selected an area, but I'll start this from scratch. So I'm going to clear my coordinates. Slide it up a little bit. I'm going to again look for some data near Amagain, Arkansas. I click Show, and there it is. Now it might still be for you way zoomed out like this. Don't worry about that. All you have to do is go to the next step. Once you have a red dot on the map, you click the data sets. And you'll be presented with, again, all the potential data sets that you have. Now we've already seen that there's some aerial single frame historics that we could see, but we're really after the high resolution orthoimagery. So I'm only going to check high resolution orthoimagery, and the next step is to click Results. It's going to take a while, it's going to think, and then bam, it gives me some options. If I click on the footprint, Show Footprint, notice it zooms me in pretty close. Now if I zoom into Show Footprint here, it shows me a wider footprint. So at this point I can zoom in a little bit, see where I am, see what I want to see. Alright, I've got, I'd like to see that one as well. So I need to go back up. I want to see the square that's right here, left of these two. So I'm going to modify my search. How I modify my search is I simply back up from Results to Search Criteria, which is the first page. Now it's left me zoomed in. So now I'm going to use the click and drag my icon up a little bit. I'm going to click down here, and I'm going to click over here. So now I have my 4 points. Now I can go back to data sets. Still checked. Go to Results. And now I have more choices. I want to see the footprint of these 4. Alright, well, I think what I really want, I want to grab 14, so I'm going to turn off the orange one. And it looks like 14 is this one. So I'm going to turn off and turn on, called blink. I'm going to blink back and forth until I know I've got the right one. I definitely have this one. So I'm going to turn off that, turn off that. This is the one I want. I can see a preview of it by Browse Overlay. Oh, that's the wrong one. This one. There we go. Much higher resolution. I want to know a little bit more about the image. I want to know about what altitude and date. I click on Show Metadata. I scroll down, and it tells me it's a large file, 1 meter resolution. It was taken in 3 color, called 3-band, and it even tells me the sensor if I want to find out nuances of the photography method. I can go research the sensor used. Well, at this point I am done with searching for it. I want to go download, and I just click that button there for download options. Let's see what it's going to tell us. This free service is intended to satisfy low volume data requests, blah blah blah. I'm going to go ahead and click download. And this is going to be a large file, so once the download starts, I will stop this video and we'll go to another data download video. And I'll do that right now. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from it. And if you have any further interest in GIS or about learning GIS, please go to learninggis.com. We have other free data sources available, and we now offer online classes in under a day.